Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your Hulu subscription and also how to remove your credit card from Hulu. So let's get right into it. Hulu is an online subscription-based service which allows you to stream movies and shows online. It is currently available only in the US due to licensing issues. However, you can access it through a VPN anywhere in the world. And yeah, as I said, it is a subscription-based service, which means you will need to enter your credit card, and monthly it'll subtract funds from your account to actually fund your subscription to allow you to use it. Now, there is a way to cancel this, and there is a way to remove your credit card, so let's get right into it. To cancel your subscription, make sure you are logged into Hulu and go to your account page. There you can just click the cancel your subscription button. Just click on cancel. It'll ask you if you want to cancel or to pause it. Select that you want to cancel it, and that is pretty much it, how you cancel your subscription. However, you can also pause it. There is that option, which means that you just won't have Hulu. However, it'll restart if you want, and yeah, that is pretty much it for canceling. However, you can also remove credit card information by logging into your Hulu account page. You can access it from the browser or mobile or smart TV. Then select the payment information section, and once you're there, just delete the information provided and save the changes to your account. And yeah, that is pretty much it. There is a lot of different ways you can cancel your subscription also with Amazon, Disney Plus, Apple, and so on and so forth. For that, I implore you to check out this Whistle Out article. I won't be covering that. However, these are just the basics, and I hope that everything's clear. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.